The GR86 oh my god. The GR86 front marker lights. Beautiful amber color. But if you want something a little more fun, might I suggest some white ones? They're still amber LEDs, but when you start it up, there's a cool little sequential effect. So let's go ahead and throw these on. It's one of the easiest things you can do. You turn your wheel in, obviously, as you can see. There's 3 little clips, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna take those off, pull this back. There's a 10mm nut in there. We're gonna just undo that with our handy dandy cheapo bent wrench. 2 little clips, you'll see here and here. Pop that out, put the new one in, and hook it back up. I like to get a little flathead in there. Oh, don't mind me. And just kind of pop it out. It blurred right as I did it. Go ahead and focus, damn you. Get in there. Give it just a little twist. Try not to damage the plastic, although let's be honest. Oop. These things are replaceable, so don't worry about it if you mar those up a little bit. Pull them out. They're just little regular old doohickeys. So what we're going to do here, camera cut out for a second. Pull out all 3 of them. Set them to the side. Yeah. Really all we have to do, well, I'll use a little pry tool. Lift that up. And let me get a light. Okay. In there you can see the clip, the power, and there's the little 10mm guy. First things first. Reach in there. We're gonna do our best to just focus, damn you. We're gonna push that in and pull it off. Easy. Loosen. Okay. There's the little guy. Set him down with our other stuff. And now it's just a matter of, it's really hard to film this, but you kind of just squeeze and push. Maybe you can see that one easier. Maybe not. Yep, that's one. And we do the same for the other. Push down. Depending on how new they are, plastic might be soft. Oh, shit. Well, don't do like I just did. But yeah, pops right out. So take your new one, give it a little wipe down, and we're essentially just gonna pop her right back in. First, I recommend cleaning off the shmoo. See that? Let me get a paper towel real quick. So, get that. All right, you're able to see where the paint only got 1 coat right in there, because they know that no one's gonna look here, right? For sub $30,000 sports car. It's not a McLaren. It's not a Porsche. Poor man's Porsche, maybe. And I just realized this is the wrong one, so there we go. We're just gonna take this little guy, line it up, and pop, pop. Next step, oh, if I can get my finger in there, we're just gonna take our nut, go right back on there, get it finger tight. I'll be honest, I switched to a better wrench. That little thing was slightly off size, so now we're really just gonna give her a nice little tightening. Not too tight, because you don't want to break it. It's just plastic on plastic. And then get our little clip. Little baby clip boy. And get her back on. Good to go. Make sure everything's nice and orderly. Reinsert your clips. I'll start from the top. Don't put them all the way in yet. Make sure that they are popped out. Go into the hole. And now that they're all half in, and voila! Now you get that neat little effect. I like the look of the white much more than the stock orange. Yeah, it goes pretty hard. Alright, thanks for watching.